In this video, we're going to review TD Bank's terms of service in detail. TD Bank is one of the largest banks in Canada, but what does their terms of service really say? Let's break it down for you. First, TD Bank offers a range of accounts including checking and savings accounts, as well as investment products. The terms of service are the foundational document that outlines your rights and responsibilities as a customer, but also the fees, limits, and rules you need to know about. Point one of the key things to understand about TD Bank services is the fee structure. Most TD checking accounts come with a monthly maintenance fee. For example, the TD All-Inclusive Checking Account costs $25 per month, while the TD Everyday Checking Account charges $4 per month. These fees are waived if you maintain a minimum balance, but that's not always easy for everyone. What else is hidden in the fine print? TD Bank has certain charges for transactions that exceed the limits of your account. For example, if you make more than a certain number of withdrawals, you'll pay additional fees. Going over your limit for Interactive transfers? That'll cost you as well. And if you need a paper statement, be prepared to pay an extra 45 cents for each one. On top of this, TD Bank has specific rules about account overdrafts. If you spend more than you have in your account, TD may cover the amount, but they will charge you an overdraft fee. This fee can add up quickly, so it's essential to keep track of your balance. When it comes to ATMs, TD Bank has an extensive network of machines, but if you need to use an ATM outside of their network, be ready to pay a fee. The charge for using an ATM that is not part of TD's system can be as high as $2.50. TD Bank also has specific policies regarding account closure. If you decide to close your account within 90 days of opening it, you could be charged a fee of up to $50, depending on the type of account. When reviewing TD Bank's terms of service, it's clear that there are many things you need to be aware of before signing up. The fees can add up, and understanding the limits and conditions is crucial for avoiding surprises later on. If you're looking for a bank with no hidden fees and simple terms, TD Bank may not be the best choice for you. However, if you don't mind paying a monthly fee for the convenience of having a full-service account, TD Bank offers a reliable option. Now, before you go, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, hit the like button, and stay tuned for more in-depth reviews on bank terms and services.